Photovoltaic systems. What are photovoltaic systems? They are advanced applications of solar power. They come in many different forms such as films, foil, glass, tile, glazing products, and additive products. Some general information about these systems. It is a several billion-dollar industry. Current technology allows these systems to be more efficient and more affordable than ever before. It is cheaper to put it on a global scale. These cells can last up to 25 years, which will in turn pay back for the cost of these cells in a few years. It has a more expensive startup cost, but lower operational costs and a longer lifespan than normal fossil fuel resources. Foil and additive products. Foil products are very flexible and very lightweight. Because of this, they are very easily applied to multiple types of buildings. You can put it on any different shapes, circulars, cylinders, triangles, anything you want. The additive products are traditional solar panels that are rectangular, so it is very limited as to what you can do with those. Tile and module products. Tile products can be placed on roofs to look like original roof tiles. They are more visibly appealing to the eye, but they are not as effective as other methods depending on the shape of the tile. If the tile is curved, the sun cannot get partial of the tile on the other side if it is curved. This does not allow the amount of energy that can be fully harnessed if it was flat. It can be shaped to fit any building. Module products are more resistant to harsh weather. They can be made to fit the original roofs. Because they are more harsh weather resistant, they are more expensive than tile products. Glazing products are the most customizable of all of the photovoltaic products. They can be placed on windows, roofs, and facades. Because of this, you are able to have an entire building covered in panels. The color and transparency of the product can be customized depending on what the customer wants. This means you can have an entire roof made out of glass, and the amount of light and energy that is harnessed depends on the transparency of the product. The product of glazing can transmit light, protect you from UV rays, shading, and heat a building. It's made by using a polysilicon cell. The cell is heated and boron is added to make the conductor material. A block of silicon is formed. After that, a pattern is put onto the block, and then it is cleaned. And then there's a thin conductor material around the surface. An anti-reflection coat is added to the top to reduce the amount of energy from escaping when the sun's rays hit it. A conductive material is put onto the back, and then a cell is tested with a specific output of electricity depending on what it is made for, and is connected to other solar cells to make an entire system. The UV rays hit the panels, and a series of circuits are connected to external power to produce more electricity. It then goes into the module where it is connected or conditioned and stored for later use. Some systems do not have battery storage, so the power is instantly converted and put to use. This can be water pumps, fans, heating and cooling systems, or even lights in a building. Results. The environment these systems are in can affect the output, such as humidity. With past solar panels, if humid air was present, the output of the panels would be very minimal. New technology has made these systems more immune to the humid air. Because it can be applied in many different ways, the opportunities are endless when it comes to building design. The entire building is able to be covered, resulting in near self-sufficient energy. Budget. Photovoltaic costs have decreased over the years, making it more obtainable. Because of the increased efficiency, more are being produced on a wider scale with lower labor costs. Costs vary by material, efficiency of the product, and the output of the power usage. Countries. 5 countries have switched their priorities to renewable energy. These countries include China, Taiwan, Germany, Japan, and the United States of America. China and Taiwan are the leading countries in the solar industry. Because of China's population, they have a high demand for new energy because they cannot rely on fossil fuels forever. Taiwan focuses on small markets of the industry which result in large success. This is why they are #1 ranked in the world. This is a picture of a stadium in Taiwan that is completely covered in solar panels.